Pagpasa na ng application.
Edi positive?
Oh my God.
This is it. 1, 2, 3.
If you're asking if I am pregnant, the answer is yes.
It's ready to eat. Hi, baby.